everyone, it's Alicia with Quilts on Tour with another Nifty Notion Wednesday. Today's Nifty Notion is heat and bond little strips. These are 3/8 of an inch wide, and this I use for repairing projects sometimes that got ripped, especially quilts on the seam. If you can tuck this under there, it's makes it super easy to kind of give that finished look. Nobody will know that there was a little hole there. I also use it when I make embroidery projects and the back needs to be closed and I don't feel like hand stitching it closed. This brand is Heat and Bond Ultra Hold, so this will hold through anything, through washings and anything like that, so I'm not worried about that. But then I don't have to sit there and hand stitch it closed. It saves a lot of time. I know there's another brand out there called Steam-A-Seam. I haven't tried that one yet, but I think it does the same thing. And it's only a couple of bucks for a roll. I would highly recommend keeping this in your Notion stash for any time you need to fix a little hole, actually these work really well if you need to hem something really quick. You can just use this to hem it up, pants, shirts, whatever. Maybe not a long-term fix, but if you need a quick little fix, this is perfect. So if you want to see some more Nifty Notion videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. And don't forget, today's a great day to quilt.